No. No, you can't. Stop! Please don't go away. Please? No one's ever stuck with me for so long before. And if you leave...
Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how.
Because when I look at you, I can feel it. And I look at you and I'm home.
Find you, tell you I need
Please.
you.
I don't want that to go away. I don't want to forget.
So tell me your secrets and ask me your questions. And oh, let's go back to the start. Oh, it's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said it was easy. No one ever said it would be so hard. I'm going back to the start.
But I guess if I love you, I should let you move on.